You like these?
I do.
Okay.
Yeah.
I like them as well. Hey everybody, I'm John.
And I'm Katie, and welcome to Pizza with Plants.
And welcome back to...
Friday Night Cocktails.
Woohoo!
We said welcome twice.
Oh, did we say
It's
welcome
a double
twice?
welcome.
It's a double, so you're really welcome to be here.
Welcome.
So tonight we are making a Pisco Sour. Not too long ago we made a gin sour. Now we're making a Pisco Sour. What is Pisco?
Oh, I don't know. I'll ask the questions. What is Pisco?
So Pisco is actually a South American liqueur that originates from Peru or Chile. The one that we're using tonight is from Chile, and it basically is distilled grape juice. I mean, it's similar to brandy.
But nicer.
Well, brandy is an acquired taste, and a lot of brandies are aged in oak barrels. This isn't aged. This particular one isn't aged in oak barrels, which is why it's clear. So it's going to have a different flavor profile than the gin sour that we made. The other addition that we're adding is, instead of just lemon juice, we're adding some lime. But then, just like the gin sour, because we don't try not to eat eggs.
Try not to.
We're using Aquafaba to give us that foamy, the foamy mouthfeel that you get from an egg white in a traditional sour. So,
and then simple syrup.
Yeah, simple syrup to kind of the sweetness. Obviously, you need that to balance the sour, and then. Yes, sour and salty. That is me, Captain Salty. Mm-hmm. Next time I'll wear my cape. So and then you also garnish it with just a little drop of the bitters. The bitters add just kind of a unique taste as you're drinking it. So enough chit chat and let's mix. So as always, we're making 2 cocktails because Lord knows we can't share one. And so it's 2 ounces.
It's extra practice.
It is.
Bartender.
It is extra practice. So 2 ounces for each cocktail. We're using 4. We just made it.
Don't worry about the lids.
Okay.
They're not going to run off.
Okay, no, they're not. Okay, sorry. That's my
fresh lemon. Oh, you give it a little.
Oh, do I need to shake it?
It's fresh lemon. It separates
yeah,
a little bit.
It did.
Well, not that big of a shake. Just a little.
Okay.
Waggle.
Yeah, it's really
like
fresh lemon juice. We did squeeze it. So ½ ounce of each. So we're using 1 ounce. Look at that. I didn't leave the lid. I didn't worry about the lid.
Don't have time for OCD.
Shake, shake, shake.
Lime juice.
1 ounce of lime juice. And we'll have a recipe down below at the end or on the screen so that you can...
somewhere.
Yeah, it'll be down there somewhere. I think
Aquafaba.
No, hold on. Hold, please. I think we're okay. So...
If we have to do it again...
No, I think we're okay. I think we're okay with the ratios on the...
That just sits down.
I think I need to add a little bit more.
Lemon?
Yes, because I think it's a ½ ounce. So So this is either going to be a flaming train wreck. I don't think I added enough.
Either way, the recipe will be correct even if our drinks are not.
Yes, they will be. So, and then simple syrup, that one I remember is 3/4 ounce,
times
which
2
is 1.5 ounces.
Is exactly how much we have left.
That's perfect.
Time to make more.
Yes. So just like the other sour, give it a hard shake, and we're going to do a dry shake to kind of emulsify that Aquafaba. And if you didn't watch the first bartending video, I'm not a bartender. I just do this at home. So what you see is, I don't know, probably...
A Friday night.
Yeah.
A normal Friday night.
Friday night, how real people make their cocktails. So whenever you're doing a sour, I have learned you want to do large cubes, not the small ones. So I've got 3 larger cubes, and get that sealed. And then just give it a nice kind of gentle shake. Ideally, you're not wanting to break up those large cubes, but they're there to kind of whip up the Aquafaba.
Which they do a great job
They
of.
totally do.
Okay.
Kind of smack that. Open that up.
Double strain.
Hand that. We're gonna double strain. Can you move the bitters bottle?
I can.
So we're gonna go there.
And not spill it all over the counter. Like
Try
the
not to.
sour.
I don't know what you're talking about.
They do.
There's that one. Beautiful wash line.
Oh, that one might.
Look at that.
A little garnish.
Now we're gonna just do some drops of bitters.
Let's do 3. Oh,
Well, I did 4.
overachiever.
1, 2, 3, and 4.
Ah,
Look
getting
at
better at that.
And then we come in and we make little hearts.
Again, we need to come up with a new thing.
I know. I'm not a barista.
You're a one-trick pony.
I totally am. But doesn't that look nice? That looks beautiful.
It does.
So we're
I
gonna
don't know
take
if
a
you can
picture
see.
and we're gonna be right back with the tasting. So hold please. We are back and ready to taste, and these,
Are beautiful.
they are a stunning looking cocktail. So,
Cheers.
Cheers. What do you think?
Bitter on the nose
Yes,
and tart.
it's the addition of the lime. So remember, with our gin sour, it was all lemon. Lime obviously has a different flavor. This is much more, for me, this tastes much more puckery.
Yeah. Right in the middle, right like.
And you don't get the herbaceousness that you get with gin. Big word. Wow. Chico State. You don't get the, I mean, gin is very herbal. And this is.
But I feel like that, well, the way we made it was a little, you missed out on the herbaceousness.
Right, but it's still, I mean, as a spirit goes, I can absolutely tell that this is not gin.
No, absolutely.
And that is because
Pisco's its own thing.
It
I
totally
wouldn't compare
is.
it to brandy, because brandy's a turnoff too.
Okay, that's fair.
Anything that smells like lighter fluid is a sign you should not ingest it.
That's probably correct.
I'm sorry to all the brandy lovers.
So,
It's not
but
my
this
palate.
would be a fun. You should absolutely, at some point. Pisco's not crazy expensive. Buy a bottle.
Try it.
Make a Pisco Sour. I think that it's.
Is that the only cocktail you make with Pisco?
It's probably one
It's
of the
a
most.
one-trick pony?
No. When they drink it, like in Peru and Chile, they'll have it chilled.
Oh.
And the real, if you got your big man pants on, you're going to have it neat. You're going to drink it neat.
Maybe we should have tried that.
And then I would have eyebrows like this. So, no, I think it's worth a purchase.
Yep.
Pisco's fun. Great summer drink.
Yes, or like starting at Easter, like an Easter brunch, or something different than a mimosa.
Yeah.
It's very summery, for sure. Very summery.
I would agree. And the next time you crack open a thing of garbanzo beans, for good Lord, save the Aquafaba.
Yeah.
Put it in an ice cube tray and freeze it so that the next time that you want to make a sour-based cocktail or use a thickener, you can use Aquafaba.
Or Google recipes with Aquafaba and you'll be shocked at how many come up. It's really weird.
Ours are only booze related. Sorry.
I might make like a mousse or something.
Okay.
Maybe I'll make a dessert with it.
Okay, you realize this
We don't
is
actually
now
have any left.
This is now a 45-minute cocktail video.
Okay. Cheers.
It's like a mini-series.
Yeah.
Cheers, everybody.
Be kind.
Eat pizza.
With cocktails on Friday.
Yes. See ya.
See ya.